In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete a barcode line if the barcode is scanned a second time. This is directly from a question I had today. And so here we have 2222 scanned in, and this is the time it was scanned in. So let's put in, for example, 3333, and it goes in. And now you're done with 2222, so let's scan it in again. And now, basically, if you're deleting the one that was there before, now you'll have a new time and everything else with it. So we're going to go 2222, and it deletes it now. It's the second one now, and the time is changed to right now. So it's delete the previous record. So it records when these things come in. You don't record when they go out. You're just recording when they come in. So let me just show you the code. It's real quick. So my script is called deletesecond. I've declared barcode as a string, range as a RNG as a range, row number, first row as long. Now the first, what it's doing is it's checking, make sure there's a barcode in the cell. The range is looking for that barcode that you've put in there in the list there. And if it doesn't find it, then it's just going to enter it, and then it's going to offset and put in the date and time. And then it's going to go to ND, which is going back to select the barcode scan one. Now, if it does find it, then it's going active sheet, first row select, active cell, entire row delete, and then it's going back up to the restart button, and then it's going to do exactly the same thing all over. So this is quickly how you can delete the second time a barcode is scanned into your system. Please subscribe.